Hey everyone, excited to be back for this week's edition of Frequently Asked Questions for Commercial Real Estate. In today's video, what I want to do is talk about a topic that has been extremely pertinent in the news over the last couple of weeks, and that is cryptocurrency versus commercial real estate. Now, in today's video, what I want to do is talk about a little bit about what's been happening in the crypto markets over the last several weeks and why I believe that commercial real estate is a great opportunity for those individuals who are looking to reallocate some capital outside of the crypto markets into another investment. So now, before we dive into this video, I'd greatly appreciate if you can like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and ensures more and more people can hear this message and learn about the many facets of commercial real estate. So now that you've done that, go ahead and like and subscribe below. Let's go ahead and dive into this episode. All right, now before we dive into this video, I want to clearly state that this is not financial advice. I do not want you to misconstrue this as advice to invest in certain things. Because again, I am not an economist, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going to share my opinion and how I've interpreted the events that have occurred over the last several weeks and why I believe that this particular investment opportunity with commercial real estate is a phenomenal one for those individuals who are looking to reallocate capital. But I definitely do not want you to misconstrue this as financial advice. You have been warned. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, unless you've been living under a rock, you probably have heard about what's been happening in the crypto markets lately. It's been over almost $1 trillion in wealth erased as a result of, just the volatility that's occurred in the crypto markets and really the broader market as a whole. Bitcoin is down 30 to 40% from what it was just several weeks ago. The big headlines have been Terra and Luna, Terra being one of the biggest stable coins, and it's an algorithmic stable coin, meaning it was not backed by any fiat currency or anything along those lines. It experienced a significant bank run and people essentially lost hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, their life savings, people lost. And so it's been kind of sad to see the impact that what's been happening in the crypto markets. And all that to say, the crypto markets, in my opinion, over time, especially the top several currencies like the Bitcoins and Ethereums, they have a future going forward, and maybe some of the other alternative coins may as well. But it is one of those markets that's extremely volatile. And in my opinion, I would stay away from because, I like a little bit more stability and security long term. And that's just my investor profile. If you fall kind of in that camp, these are probably some of the reasons why I believe commercial real estate is a phenomenal opportunity for those individuals who want to reallocate capital outside of the crypto market. So to start off with, number one is commercial real estate is a physical asset. You can touch it, you can feel it. It is something that can be transferred from one individual to another, and it's something that is has been traded and dealt with for eons. Whereas with the cryptocurrency, it is still an extremely volatile asset. There's nothing really backing a lot of these cryptocurrencies, and so in a situation like what happened with Terra, if people lose confidence in the efficacy of this particular digital asset, there could be bank runs that occur, and in the case of Terra, now it's pretty much worth zero. So within a 2-week span, you could go from being on a high, 100, or I think Luna at its peak was $111, all the way down to zero within a 2-week period. That does not really happen in real estate, even in the depths of the recession of 2008, where some markets like Phoenix and Las Vegas lost 50% of the value of the real estate. Again, it never went to zero, and the drop off when it comes to values is usually gradual, and you can typically get out of your investment if need be. So you're never going to experience a catastrophic event where you lose 100% of the worth of your investment. So that's number one. It's a physical asset, and you have a little bit more stability when it comes to that. Number two is it's income producing, especially if you buy investment real estate. You can buy a property and rent it out to either individuals if you're talking about multifamily properties, or businesses if you're looking to buy retail properties, industrial properties, and even in the hospitality space where you're renting it out to people who are traveling around the country. With cryptocurrencies, that's not usually the case. Is you're essentially buying the cryptocurrency and sitting on it and waiting for it to appreciate in some capacity. So it's not really income producing in any form or fashion. So that's something to consider as well. Real estate is income producing for the most part, in particular if you're buying it as an investment property. So it is something to consider as well. And then number three reasons is the tax benefits. With cryptocurrencies, the IRS is still getting a feel for what the crypto markets look like as far as their tax implications are concerned. There's a lot of new legislation coming down the pike to try to tax it in a particular way. Again, this is all evolving over time. as far as real estate's concerned, it's pretty well established how real estate is taxed, and lawmakers have made it a lot more tax favorable to invest in real estate than other alternative investments. You've got depreciation, where you can take a proportion of the building value each year as a form of shielding of the income. You've got 1031 exchanges, where you can sell a property and then exchange it in for another like-kind property without having to pay capital gains taxes. And there's also a variety of different other tax benefits associated with investing in real estate that you just do not find in the crypto market. So those are another reason why investing in commercial real estate can be a better alternative. And again, there's a lot of different reasons why I believe commercial real estate is a phenomenal investment opportunity for those looking to get out of the crypto markets. If you're looking to do so in the Louisville, Kentucky or metro area, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to be that advisor and individual for you that can help you find opportunities in the marketplace. If you're looking, or if you're interested in the videos that I've been producing, and again, I greatly appreciate all your guys' support over the years. I would greatly appreciate if you can like and subscribe to this channel, because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and ensures more and more people can hear this message and learn about the many facets of commercial real estate. So again, thank you all for tuning in. I hope you gained some value from what I've shared today, and we'll see you all next time.